नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, participants, cities sitting with us all over the world. Los Angeles, Arunachalam, Dallas, Dwaraka, Dubai, Vaidyanatham, Scottsdale, Arizona, Toronto, Kailasam, and Paris, Kalighat. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. And of course, I welcome every one of you who are sitting in Haridwar. Shall we start the session? I am asking you. Because the program starts not when I start speaking, it starts when you start listening. Please listen. The first thing you need to know, listening, authentic listening. Life starts when you start listening. As I said today morning in the satsang, Ganga may be there, Himalayas may be there next to us. If we are sleeping, what's the use? So all the principles I am embodied is like Himalayas. All the words I am uttering are like Ganga. But what is the use if you are not listening? So when you start listening, life starts. Whatever may be the reason you are here, you will achieve it when you start listening. Because in Vedic tradition, the words are not used just to transmit knowledge. Words were used as a vehicle to transmit energy. Please listen. In Vedic tradition, words are not just used to transmit knowledge. Words are used to transmit energy. Not only the words have linguistic importance. In the West, language has only linguistic importance. Means the knowledge is transferred through the words. In the East, language is used with linguistic importance and the phonetic importance. Means the sounds were used not only to transmit the knowledge, but to transmit the energy also. So listening is a basic requirement. With listening starts life. With listening starts enlightenment. So please understand, with listening, life starts. With listening, everything starts. Actually, you are just a child, almost like any animal baby. But when you started listening, the mind started developing in you. You become human being. So it is with listening all the best things in the life starts. All the best things in the life starts with listening. When I say listening, I don't mean just hearing. Hearing is different, listening is different. Let me define listening. Listening without allowing any incompletions to interfere in you. Please listen. When I am talking about listen, at least listen. Because if you miss, you may miss the whole program. Listening. When you are listening, don't allow incompletions to interfere. For example, let me give you an example. If you have seen some violent fight when you went to a beach, you go to a beach Sunday evening for a peaceful walk. Suddenly you see there few people beating each other violently, killing each other. You are terrorized, traumatized. You run away. After that, whenever you go to any beach, not that same beach, whenever you go to any beach, what you will be remembering? The same trauma. You will be going through the same trauma. You will be literally reliving the same trauma. The incompletions repeat itself in you. Same way, sometime the incompletions you carry inside constantly interferes the factual happening, actual happening. Every time when you go to a beach, violence is not happening. But even once if you see violence in beach, after that all your beach visit loses its peace. You are only terrorized every time you go to beach. How many of you understand this? How many of you cognize this is happening in your life at some time, in some way? The incompletions interfere the fact and factuality, the actual happening. Now, I am talking, you are going to be listening. This session, this program, this session, this program understand, this session, this program is a fact. Am I right? You are here, I am here, I am talking to you. But if your incompletions are just going on inside you, interpreting them, sometimes even taking you away from here. Now suddenly you are there in your hometown, going around the beach or having a pizza. What happens? Over, the whole session is lost. Your incompletions can erupt and either interfere with the session, or can even kidnap you from here once for all. Maybe after 10 minutes you will come back. Where I was? Oh, I was in my house cooking. Understand? If you are listening, wherever you are in this hall. You may be in Dubai or Dallas or Toronto or Scottsdale. You are here with me. If you are not listening, even if you are in this hall, you are not with me. So, authentic listening. Authentic listening is the first step for life. Authentic listening is the first step for life. Please listen. Listen intensely. One moment you listen, another moment you cognize what you listened. I can define it in this way. One moment you hear, next moment you cognize. Both put together is what we call listening. You hear and you cognize. Both put together is what we call listening. It is like a binary code, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. During the moment of 0, you hear. During the moment of 1, you cognize. Then 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. The binary, just like binary action, hearing, cognizing is happening. This is what is listening. But unfortunately, if your incompletions interfere, it becomes like a 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Then what happens? Like a virus in the software, your incompletions enter your inner software and collapses the whole thing, destroys the whole thing. So please decide, you will not allow any of your incompletions into you while you are here in the class, in the session listening. Sessions may not be just in this hall, it may be in the banks of Ganga, it may be in the lap of Himalayas. The program is organized such a way only. Actually, I have chosen Haridwar for my sake more than I just want to enjoy the lap of Himalayas, little time, and that's the reason I chose Haridwar, knowing that it will be little cold this time of the year, but Haridwar should be enjoyed. Himalayas should be enjoyed when it is cold. If we have to be here when it is hot, then better let us be in Bangalore, that's all. And I tell you, from time immemorial, people, when they want spiritual knowledge and experience, move to this land. Because, one, when the altitude goes up, automatically mind goes up. Second, in the cold, naturally your system evolves to the space of listening. Your system starts listening. Above all, thousands of years, all the great masters lived here and left the body and their vibrations here. Haridwar is the headquarters of Hinduism, all of you should know. oldest city. Daksha lived here means the first kingdom. Daksha Prajapati's kingdom was headquartered in Haridwar. We have a place where Daksha Yajna was destroyed and Mahadeva gave forgiveness and enlightenment to Daksha. The temple belongs to our Akada. We will be going to the temple also. This is the first ever city on the planet Earth. The first president of the human beings, Prajapati, Daksha Prajapati, was headquartered here. The base of human civilization, and still the only Hindu city in the world. Till now, even now, this city, legally, constitutionally Hindu city, you cannot have any other religious structures in this city. You cannot have non-veg and alcohol being sold in this city. No alcohol, no non-veg. Legally, you cannot sell in this city. No shops. A few hundred years before, there was a pact created between Mahanirvani Akada sadhus and British. So still, even now, the Indian government and constitution respects that pact. It's almost like a Vatican for Hinduism. This city is like a Vatican for Hinduism. For thousands of years, anybody wants spiritual knowledge, they came to this ground, this land. You are all here. What a beautiful time and space and place to be. Haridwar, nice cold season, and with a living master. Listening. Understand, it is so nice, especially to have a small group. Because with small group, I can work with every individual. And you guys are blessed. Maybe after 2 years or 3 years, I am going to be taking the whole inner awakening. And good or bad, now there is no one to substitute me in any other sessions to fill for me. So I will be conducting almost all the sessions of the inner awakening. I will be personally sitting and getting your root patterns out, helping you to find your root patterns out. Enjoy. It all begins with listening. It all begins with listening. So understand, it is listening which starts the whole program. Start listening. As I said, do not allow any incompletions when you are listening and cognizing. When you are listening and cognizing, Do not allow any incompletions.